In this video, I will show you how to link your PlayStation account to Steam. Launch Steam on your PC. Click the Steam in the top left corner. Select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Remote Play. Ensure Enable Remote Play is toggled on. Open your web browser. Search for Link PlayStation account to Steam. Click the first link titled PC Registration. Scroll down and find the section that says Stay connected with PlayStation. Click Continue to proceed. When launching an eligible PlayStation game on PC, go to the main menu, select Sign In, enter your PSN email and password, or create a new account if needed. That's it. Your PlayStation Network account is now linked to Steam. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.